Let's go.
Yes, my name is Mr. Mavitsela from Pileng.
Yeah. Dr. Mabizela, another blockbuster Pileng Tshwane North Ultra done and dusted. Your overall impression about what happened today?
Very, 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 very impressive. We have almost, it's 3 years now with Pileng Tshwane North Ultra. We started as a sponsor, but at the ultimate end, we partnerile Pileng Tshwane North Ultra because of Pila Wona Wirahala. But now it's becoming a more improving and improving and improving each and every year. Now the expectation was not like this. It's so very beyond our expectation.
Yeah,
if I can put it that way.
I spoke to the race director Eliake the weather today, it almost dented the beauty here Pileng Tshwane North Ultra, but he said it was a blessing in disguise because people also came in numbers despite what happened earlier.
Look, like when we check the weather and check what were happening in the ground, it was two different things. So what were happening in the ground is also great.
Yeah.
So why should we worry about the weather?
Yeah.
So we were happy that people are just out there with numbers and they were enjoying themselves. So it was telling us that whatever that we initiated or we are doing with Pileng Tshwane North Ultra is so great, and it makes other people or the community happy.
Yeah.
That is why people are traveling so far, other ones that are from local, to come and join us on this initiative.
Yeah. You are Pileng Group. Obviously, you have the subsidiaries Kamohare in terms of the business, but was sports part of the Lotsene venture into Tsona?
Really, sports was not part of that, but because of we know most of the time we were helping communities. If maybe like Pileng Tshwane North Ultra, other non-profit organizations, we were a company that we believe of going to the communities and help. So we started helping TNU, and then by helping TNU, it also helped us by putting our brand out there. And we didn't take this one lightly. That is why we are now or today here. Yeah.
I remember Dr. Mabizela, the director of either in his presence or without his presence, the relationship should continue between Pileng Group and Tshwane North Ultra.
It's not only the director who's saying that, it's all of us in Pileng who's saying that because of we are seeing a great result from this initiative.
Yeah.
Because of the 5 years now, it will be like we are celebrating.
Yeah.
We'll be celebrating 5 years, so it will show, or it will be different from other race that you have saw. If you think this one was great race, you haven't seen now. Come and see next year.
How do we come Pileng Group? Maybe briefly, how it halosets motho a sa tlhaloganya gore Pileng Group le dira ka eng le bomang araba fe yo.
Pileng Group is a group of companies. We have Pileng Group as a holding company. Under Pileng Group, we have subsidiary companies. We have Pileng Legal. Pileng Legal is whereby we're helping other companies with compliances, like your BBBE, SANA accredited certificate, your ISO certificate, labor law. Before we used to call it labor relations, whereby we're helping companies by drafting their contracts, doing the contracts of their employees, doing their policies, helping them with the hearings, things like that. And then after that, we're having Pileng Institution of Learning. It's a college like any other colleges. And we have Pileng Properties. Pileng Properties, we buy, sell, and do the administration of the properties. And we have Pileng Construction. And we have Pileng Funerals. Yes.
Yeah.
Funerals, we have two divisions, insurance and burial.
The office is not go.
Our head office is in Centurion. And then we lefatse ka bophara o kgona re kry-a go lokwane re na le office for funerals lefiso re na le office, so South Africa ka bophara o kgona gore kry-e.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Sure.